look, came up missing with the number 10 on it. And I've never lost it in all the years I had it.
Facts.
All of a sudden, the whole drill comes up missing.
I already told him, bro, but
I don't know. I just wanted to record, Mike.
he always like, nah. Like, why need tools that I got yours that's gonna
Hey!
So, anyways, we got a box. Fucking package. This is one of two things. It's either my fucking my grill or my lip. I think it's the lip from Shuby Speed, the S208 lip. But Rally Sport Direct. One way to find out what it is, guys. Shit. Wrong. It is my lip. Sick ass fucking car. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna raise it first. I already started, forgot to record. Here is the lip. It looks good. I got the gloss black one. It's got these little things. I'm assuming to mount it. We'll see right now. This little bag, screws, as well as these rubber pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. Those go like right there. So yeah, let's do that. So first, there is oh my bad, on the bottom. There is this clip right here. This right here. This clip. We're gonna take that out, and then that's gonna go right here. And I'm assuming this one goes where this clip is. Alright, we got the first piece clipped on. So let me show you guys how I did that real quick, because it was kind of complicated. So first you're gonna grab a flathead or something to take off the clip. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. These clips, you need to pop it out. So put the thing in here, pop it out. This one, after you take it out, you still gotta basically take this out. It's not that easy. It's gonna be a little complicated, so you're gonna want to take this out. That's what I did, at least. Now enjoy me struggling. Alright, and then Alright, I didn't record. My camera stopped recording. I didn't realize I wasn't recording. Basically, I held this part right here. I was holding this down, popped that in with this thing completely out, put it in, then I put the clip in, and it's just being held right now by the 2 clips. So that's all that's holding it right now, just the clips. Now I'm gonna figure out how to put the screws in. Okay, so I noticed that some of the so like these, some of these, this, they don't actually go anywhere. They might just be to put sock toppers in, but some of them do match, like this one. I'm gonna try putting the ones that match before I do any of the other screws. So the screws don't fit. Luckily, I believe I have some clips. I found a slightly thicker one. Let me see if I can find another one. Alright, I've got 2. They're a bit thicker. Hopefully they'll work. Let's find out. Those other ones are a bit thin. It works. I'll put one here too. And then I'll get to the screws. Hold up. Alright, I got it on. It was just a bit harder, but yep, those 2 are on. So now I just need to put the rest. Alright, for this I think we're just gonna fucking drill it in. I don't think we're gonna do washers and all that just because I don't want it to rip my bumper off. I don't want it to rip my bumper off if I hit something. So we'll put one right here. Okay. Yeah. All right. Got a couple in. Yep, I'm gonna just do that real quick. Alright, so right here, this one didn't wanna, this screw was just falling down, so I'm gonna put a washer there actually to hold that. I might do this one too, just because that's like, you know, some of the main holding points. So yeah, for now I'm gonna put the ones by the wheels. Let me put that strip actually. Alright, I don't know if that's like how y'all want to do it. I just put it just because, well, fuck it, why not? If I don't like it, I'll take it off. I put the 2 screws here. I pushed it as much as I could. Alright. So fitment wise, that little rubber piece covers there. Right here, I had to, you can't really see it, but I had to do like 3 screws just to fucking get it to hold decently. I don't think it's coming off. It seems pretty sturdy for the most part. I mean, if you fucking hit anything hard enough, it'll fucking come off. But I did have to do some like DIY stuff just to get it to fit nice and good. But other than that, I mean, fitment's decent. Let's put it on the ground and see what's up. Gives the car a whole new look, bro. Alright, camera died. But basically, the new one's done. It's rewrapped. So that's good. And then
No, I'm not gonna stay here. Finish.
the lip.
So I got in trouble with this. I did them all.
And yeah. So that's it. Sick ass fucking Subi. Raw. Clean. Clean as fuck. Raw. Goodbye, baby. I'll see you after work. Alright, well, that's gonna be it. This is the outro for the video. Hopefully you guys kind of understood how to install that. I mean, it's a lip. It's really simple. Y'all can figure that out. But that's the new S208 front lip. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting in my card things I do to it. Not professional videos by any means, but we YouTubing. Yeah.